This is a really crappy load. We're back from home time. We were just home for 6 days. We gotta go to the caves in Independence, pick up this load, and then it delivers in downtown Chicago. And I told Cornell, like, we need to relay this, dude, because I don't want to deal with downtown Chicago. I don't even want to deal with these freaking caves. But then that makes it two, like, really stupid backs. Because I already looked at the place I'm supposed to deliver, and, like, it's like an alley. Like, no. The trucks are not meant to go there. So I was like, let's relay it. And he's like, well, I got to know what time you're going to be here. And I was like, dude, I will 100% be there tonight. And he's like, I can't let him know unless I have information. So I don't know. I have a feeling like that's just like, because, you know, I won't know till after I'm loaded. And so then it's going to be too late. And tomorrow's already going to be booked for the local guys. And I'm going to get stuck taking it in. And I'm not looking forward to it, but I'm not even looking forward to going into these freaking caves, dude. Caves are stupid too, because, like, it's so tight, like, so easy to hit something. Like, you gotta be on your A game. And here we go into a cave, I guess. Hopefully I can make it in here correctly. We'll see. I think this is the right place. Shut this light off. I saw the right address on here, so oh god, this is gonna be a pain in the ass. 1000 West. I need 2999 West, I think. Green. I need green. What color is green? I hate caves. I hate it. So we finally found where we were supposed to go. And I went to go check in, and she's like, you have to check in by phone. Well, in the cave, you don't have phone service. She's like, you gotta leave the cave and call us and then come back. I'm like, are you kidding me? So I left the cave, and now I'm going to turn right here. And make this turn, and then I gotta go down some and then back into door 7. So, and then I gotta slide my tandems. Jack wagon. You really have to watch. There's a guy that was ahead of me. I should have got the GoPro out, but he slammed into a curb. And if he would have had a little bit more power, I think he would have blew out his tire, but luckily he was going slow enough to where it just like bounced back really hard. But I really thought he was about to blow a tire under here. This is gonna be fun though. Really fun. So we'll be back with you guys once we start backing. All right, I think we're getting close to the right spot. It's gonna be kind of a fun back, but I'm just gonna try to one-shot it here. I'm glad it's not right next to this guy, because I'm gonna have to swing over and then use all of my room to the left. It's not gonna be very fun. I really hate coming into the caves. It's just extra stress. So hopefully Cornell doesn't make me deliver in downtown Chicago tomorrow, because like I said, it's an alley, and that does not look fun either. I wish this guy would go a little bit faster here. It's taking a sweet time. But I think they gave me an easy dock, bro. They really give me an easy one? I think they did. What's this guy doing? I think they gave me like the easiest dock here. If it's on the other side of this wall, this is about to be really easy. look at that. I don't know where that other truck went, but I don't know if he's still behind me or not. This is gonna be really easy. Come on, buddy. What the hell are we doing? Hope that I gave myself enough room. Can't really see anything. Oh my god. Hey, did you call them? You called them? I know, they'll make you leave and they'll make you go outside and call them. Yeah. Did you call them earlier though?
No, I was like going. I don't have seen about the call.
Yeah, they'll make you leave the cave and then come back in.
Oh, but the east side and then come back again?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I had to. It's stupid.
You listen for this too?
Yeah, I had to call them.
Okay. Go outside.
Yeah.
Call him and go back.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yep. I'm gonna try to fix this because I'm already like a little bit messed up here. I need to get it closer to this wall with my tires. It's really hard to do though. I think that's the right one. Right? I think I need to go a little bit further back. So you can see we're just a little bit too close to that wall. I hope nobody's back there, bro. Shit. We were way off, but I'm gonna fix it here in a minute. the fuck? I don't think I can even get over there, honestly. This is ridiculous. So I need to shift it. God dang it. Alright guys, we got loaded. It took about an hour. Cornell set up the relay, thank God, because I do not want to go to downtown Chicago. Yeah, we're really heavy though, so we're gonna have to scale. I don't know when we're gonna scale. I guess I could take, that's what I should do. I should go the old way. Well, I don't know. Because that Love's is always full. The one that is over by the old CFI Kansas City terminal, the Transport America terminal. This is like the old stomping ground. There's the drive-in theater right there. So I used to drive this road a lot when I'd go home, or even to the Kansas City terminal. So, but yeah, we gotta scale, so we're gonna figure that out and then keep on going. Well, this is pretty crazy. It's my second time this week in a cave. So we're going into a cave again. Hopefully I think I'm supposed to go through this door here. Yeah, I'm gonna say, I don't think I'm supposed to follow the train tracks. But for some reason that door looks like it's not 13.6, but this cave's a lot better than the ones that I've been going to, because like the ones that I've been going to are way tighter, and this one looks like there's a whole bunch of room to set up like a straight back and stuff. Like the ceilings are way taller. Like, just seems like a better cave all around, and I don't have to open my trailer doors. I just have to back into the dock. So I think I need to keep going straight. It's so confusing down here. I might need to turn right here. I don't know. I'm looking for building 11, dock 1. Well, I don't think that's it. So today we are in Louisiana. Hopefully I can go this way. Trucker Pass telling me to go this way. Garmin's saying otherwise, but Cornell called me. He's like, hey dude, you gotta sweep out this trailer for this next load. Like, they're super picky. I'm like, dude, I don't have a broomstick anymore. He's like, oh my God. He's like, go here and buy one. I'm like, dude, I don't have the money for a broom. He's like, well, get a cash advance out and buy a broom. I was like, oh God. Like, it just sounded like a whole bunch of extra stuff. So I have like the broom head, but I don't have the stick. And so I was like squatting over, like sweeping with my arms. And dude, my quads are on fire right now. I hope I can go this way. Find out. So yeah, it exactly went how I thought it would. She's like, they already canceled your delivery, you got to reschedule. And I'm like, all right, I figured. So I think the only bad thing is, right, like CFI, I'm in Detroit right now. The Taylor, Michigan yard's right here. I drop it, I disappear, get another load, right? GP, we only have the one in Chicago. So I think I'm gonna be waiting for this to be delivered. If they can reschedule for tomorrow. If they can't reschedule for tomorrow, I'm sure GP will have me go to like a Flying J or like a Pilot, and then they'll have me park it in a reserve spot, and then GP will pay for the reserve spot, and then another driver will come recover it. But I don't really know how often we get drivers up here to do that. So okay, Garmin, cancel navigation. But I talked to Cornell. We're headed south to Love's. It's like 17 miles away from here, so we're gonna head over there because I really think we'll get in tomorrow. And the lady's like, she's saying like, you can come in at like we'll reschedule you probably for tomorrow, but it'd be like 4 or 3 in the morning. I'm like, I hate that, dude. Because like, even if I get offloaded, you know, at 3 in the morning, I'm Eastern time. So Cornell doesn't come in till 8 o'clock Eastern time. So like, I would be down for a while because he's mainly the one that gets loads for me. Like, I've never had after hours get me a load. Like, he'll plan it and then after hours we'll send it, but I think I can make this. But yeah, so I don't really know. That just sucks because I wanted to get offloaded today and then get some miles because it's Monday. But if they reschedule for tomorrow, I assume I'll get layover pay too. So that's not awful, I guess. It does suck, but it's better than nothing. So yeah, we're headed down to the Loves here, and I don't know, it just kind of sucks. But on my way out, the lady was like, make a U-turn. So I pulled in the gate, made a U-turn, and there was trucks behind me waiting to check in. Well, the yard jockey like comes in and out of the out gate, so I pull through, and I'm like already in the middle of the U-turn, and he like starts freaking out at me, dude, like because he had to back up to get out of my way so I could go through. He's like raising his arms at me. I'm like, dude, what's your deal? Like, come on, dude. Like, oh yeah, I already know the comments. Oh boy. But yeah, so we're gonna knock these 15 miles out real fast, and then we'll see what Cornell wants to do.
Come on, everything is a-okay when you're riding with Jay. Keep those wheels turning, and we do this every day. Backing up a trailer, look at all the roads I've driven. Come and ride with me, yeah, let me show you how I'm living. Come on.